Today what we're doing is we're setting up a lead capture form, new subscriber form on a blog that will help us on the front end grow the email list. And on the back end, I'm setting up this automated workflow so that when they subscribe over here, it sets off a trigger that this form has been submitted, and then we go through the next parts of this. So then we're going to add a tag saying, hey, it's a new subscriber, blog post has been opted in, and then there's going to be an internal notification sent that this person is a new subscriber with their contact email, and then this one is going to all the users in our team. So then the real magic starts happening here, where the email comes in to play. So this one goes out immediately after they have been subscribed. Ask them for a couple of things. One, take this survey. And this survey is very simple. It's 3 questions, less than a minute to take it. And the way that it's been set up is so that we can understand what do we need to create content around, what are they looking for, and how can we best serve them. And then we're going to wait. I'm going to say like 3 days. I don't know why it was 10 there. And then it's going to send out another email with another survey, 3 questions. Very simple. And the reason why I'm only asking 3 questions is because I want to make this as frictionless as possible for the end user. 3 simple questions, takes less than a minute, doesn't even have to take a lot of thought. They can just simply fill it out. We get what we need, and they can go about their business. The other thing that these questions are asking is for a little bit more insight into what their pain points are, as well as what type of business owner that they are, so that when we're talking to them later, we have all this data built up, and we're also segmenting them into different lists based on how they're answering these questions. So they take the survey, save that there, and then we're going to wait again. This time we're going to waited 3 days last time, so let's double that to 6. And then we're going to send out another email. This was the final email with the last 3 questions. 3 questions. We're just keeping it at that. We can always ask more questions later, but for right now, this is just as somebody who just subscribed to read blog posts, get more value. They may not be a warm lead yet, but if we ask the right things and we're setting up the right topics and conversations for later, then we're essentially qualifying and then working them through their nurture funnel. 3 questions again, save that, and then at the end of it, I want to know, did they make it through all 3 of them? Okay, and if they did, great. I'm going to add a couple of points, their engagement score, 3, 1 for each email that they, or survey that they provided us. And then I guess at the very end here, if I really wanted to, I could add another contact tag and say, what would we call them? Email score engaged. There we go. That's it. Published, ready to go. This is live. Very easy. So all I had to do was take all of that and connect these into each one of these emails. So every time that there was a link in each one of these emails, this is the link that it was linked to. There it is. Now, if I wanted to get fancy, I could really just create a custom value and just have the custom value populate that, and then I could easily switch it out for each different campaign. For right now, this is base level, getting the email newsletter started and ready to welcome new website subscribers into it. And ideally, I'll never have to worry about this again, except for like making little tweaks to this flow right here. Maybe changing some of the questions if I don't feel like my segmenting is as effective as I thought it was, or really if I wanted to pop off another quick one, I could just duplicate this entire thing, change some of the wait times, and then I have another series of surveys that are ready to go very quickly. Hope you got a lot out of this, and if you want more, definitely send me a comment, send me an email, hey@sociallinus.com. Love to hear about it, see what else you're looking for, and we'll keep creating more content like this. Thanks.